Yo, what's happening, guys? Here we are, GBP JPY. Took an entry, a short, with 3 risk to reward. So let's go over why we're taking this entry. Look at the. Let me just delete some of this stuff. Right, so we see we've rejected. If we go to the weekly, we had a nice bearish reaction from here. So we've came up to this point again. So we move the daily. We've seen a nice little rejection here. 4 hours bearish right now, and we're creating this bearish sequence here. So I'm just thinking we get a nice leg to the downside on the H1. But if pull out this structure point where all these wicks, that was previous support, we came up, we would push down to the downside, we came back up, rejected here, and kind of rejected these EMAs. So I moved down to the 15 minute. The one thing that scares me about this scenario right here is the this candle rejection from this point, which was where all these wicks lied. So we could get a push back to the upside. So that's the only drawback so far. But I just went off the 5-minute time frame, and I noticed we got rejections from the golden zone there, but also actually just remembering what I deleted. Got a trend line with now the 4th rejection. So again, I'm just hoping we push down here and get a nice little push. But also, if we pull the Fibonacci from this point to the low, we came up, we had a nice 61.8 rejection. There's just quite a lot of confluences, and I just thought, why not take the trade? The risk to rewards there. We've got the reasons to enter this trade again. You guessed it. It's a counter trend trade, so that's always a risk. But we've done well so far on counter trend trades this week. But yeah, we're pushing down for this point. Why this point? Again, it's a bit of a long explanation this video, but bear with me. Here we are. Do you know in the we're in an uptrend on the 4 hour, so we could pull down, pull back to this 50 level, could pull back even more into this zone where I'll look to go long. But yeah, we're going to play it a bit safe and take it at this 50 level along with this trend line. So yeah, that's my analysis for my entry. Well, as you can see, we have lost this trade. Get rid of these EMAs because they fucking ruin the look of the chart. But let's go over why we lost, potentially. End of the day, it's a counter trend trade, so the trade, your trade can always just turn around like within a second, and that's why you always have to be aware of that risk, which we were, but we still took it because there was a good potential. So yeah, just looking on the 4 hour here, if we look at 156.75, which is a quarter point, if you don't know, we had support here, support, resistance, strong resistance here from this level. Look how perfect we rejected that level. Also, usually when we are counter trending, a little pattern forms where it kind of shows a reversal in that and a continuation of the uptrend, which we did get here. But I don't know, I still took the trade because I still thought it could play out. But if we see here, came up resistance, previous support, we came pushed up, and we came down to this level, which was the previous resistance level here. But also, it's not easy to tell, but that could have been a left shoulder. This was the head, came up, right shoulder, reversal, boom. So we could have potentially caught that trade instead of being on the opposite end, but this is trading at the end of the day. You can't just, it's always easy once you've seen it happen, but what's important is what we're going to do next time. And hopefully we are successful the next time we just trade. But if we won, I won't be saying anything, you know what I mean? I'll be saying how great my analysis was, made 3%. But no, we took an L. That's the first loss for the week. So we've had 2 wins, 1 break even, and 1 loss. So we're going to take that loss. We're going to leave trading alone for today. I'll probably backtest a bit and then come back tomorrow and see if there's any opportunities. So yeah.